How to find your UID or user ID on BitGate. So let's get started. First of all, launch the BitGate application in your mobile device. If you have already created an account and logged in your account, you will land on this interface. Now, to view your UID, tap on this square-shaped icon from the top left corner. Now you will land in your profile page. At the top of this interface, there you'll be able to view your profile name with your profile image. Tap on it. Now, once you land on this interface that says User Center under this profile, at the very top there is your UID. So you can simply copy it and keep it and use it whenever you need it. And make sure that your user ID is unique and is not similar with the mobile number that you have used while creating your account. So UID must be uniquely identified. So make sure that and copy it and keep it somewhere you want. And this is a way to find your UID on BitGate. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you on next video.